Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to save or export a video from CapCut to your phone's gallery. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorial. Now, first up, I'm just going to go ahead and create a new project right here just for you to see. Okay. Yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and upload a random video right here. All right. Maybe this one. Just going to tap on it and hit on add. And once that's done, I'm going to go ahead over to the top and hit on export. All right, and wait for it to finish. All right, as you can see here, it has a message that it's saved to our device. Okay, that means that it is saved under our gallery. Okay, just hit on done. I'm going to go ahead and open up my gallery right here. And as you can see, it now has a duplicate. This one is edited from CapCut, and this one's the original. That's basically how you do it. Okay, just go ahead over to the camera folder. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.